Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to Lightboard. I have with me a Samsung tab which is about 2 years old. And in this I'm going to perform a Lightboard presentation. So how do I do it? I have the Samsung Notes app with which I can write on this tab. That part is okay. But I don't have a split screen facility in this tab to have my camera to one side. That is a problem. The split screen facility does work, but because of the computing power of this tablet, it doesn't perform. So I'm going to overcome this problem by using an app, online hack called Online Webcam Test. So I'll show you how to do that. I will be filming from another angle with my phone and I will show you the result. Now this camera here is filming my tablet. So on this tablet I'm going to open Google. So I'm going to bring up webcam test. Webcam test has opened in my tab. I hit the play button and it will start recording. Next, I open the Samsung Notes app in split screen view, as you can see here. The split screen, I open the webcam test app. Is the camera. Now I opened up my webcam test here in the right side and I can bring it to full screen by pressing over here. So there is a black surface and to the left here I have got my Notes app, which is the Samsung Notes app. I go and select a background color over here. I will choose a black background and there you have it. You have the typical background for a Lightboard presentation on the tablet. I can just increase the size of this window. That's sufficient. So this surface, this left side surface is sufficient to do our presentation. So I'm going to select a yellow color pen and now I'm going to proceed with my Lightboard tutorial. So children, today I would like to talk about geometrical shapes. What are the different shapes that you know of? Triangle. Let's draw a triangle. That's a triangle. Okay. Now let's draw a circle. Let's call this triangle. Then what is this shape? This is a circle. Then let's draw a square. That's a square. Then we have a rectangle. So that was a Lightboard presentation done on my tablet. On this tab I can write with this S Pen, which is a feature of all Samsung Note devices and most tablets now. So this is what I used to write upon. If you have other tablets, you can get a stylus. iPad, of course, the latest iPads have got an Apple Pencil. Kindle, there are styluses available, or you can even write and draw with your fingers. They are called non-capacitive styluses, or just you can finger touch also. And then you need to record it. After you record your Lightboard presentation on a tablet, you can edit it if there are any glitches and then upload it to your personal website, your school website, share it on social media and send it to your students. Thanks for watching. I hope you will like, as teachers, you would appreciate this video. It's a very innovative method. Dark screen, you are writing on the screen and while writing you are maintaining eye contact with your students. The students are also seeing you, and they are following your instructions clearly. You are not turning your back to them. You are remaining focused all the time. You are concentrating on what you are writing, and these are the advantages of a Lightboard presentation. But this alternative Lightboard presentation from a device which you possess is very easy to set up. As you've seen in the recording from the behind camera, it just took less than 5 minutes to set up. It doesn't involve any purchases, buying, setting up, construction, storage, software knowledge, nothing. So if you appreciate all this, kindly inform your colleague teachers also, share it with them, like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC, and hit the bell icon after you have subscribed. That will help you to receive notification when I have uploaded another video. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Have a nice day.